this very bold and lively series of interventions in a space underneath an elevated transportation line creates a wonderful announcement to spaces that are occupied below, and a series of moments to pause, to sit, and to get oriented.
On behalf of AIA Philadelphia, I'm pleased to congratulate Port Urbanism for winning a merit award in the small projects category for the Low-Line Phase 1. So congratulations.
Yeah, thank you. So we're really proud of the Low-Line project. It's just the beginning phase of an ongoing project we've been working on with the Lakeview Chamber of Commerce and Friends of Lakeview since 2017. This chamber and the neighbors and the Friends of Lakeview have just been a tremendous group to work with to keep the momentum going for the project. And so the overall, it's going to be over half-mile art and garden walk beneath the L tracks that makes this connection throughout Lakeview, and will be its own kind of art destination.
The overall explanation you gave is really good, and just also the kind of support of the CTA, I think was really strong for the project and allowed us to be able to undertake such an endeavor.
The project really came together around some unique partnerships within the city, and it was just really a pleasure working with such a broad range of collaborators.